Easter. I got some peeps. I'm gonna blow one up.
Welcome, jackass. I'm gonna blow up a peep.
Fella. He's gonna die.
Uh-oh.
Poor little fellow. Look at his eyes. And his nose.
It's a pretty fat peep.
What is a peep?
Marshmallow?
No, like what is it?
I don't know. Well, they come in different shapes.
Is it like a chicken?
No, see, also have rabbit ones.
Oh, marshmallow chicks. It's a chick. Peep is a chick. Peep's a chick. Excuse me.
I don't really think it explodes. I think it's just more like puffs up. Oh, why are you touching it then?
It's really freaking hot. Ew.
Oh, that smells so bad. Oh. Dude, eat it. Eat it.
A burnt peep. Oh. It's freaking hot. It tastes like burnt ass.
You have to eat it and swallow it.
No, dude. Look at that.
It's like the chocolate from the eyes, I guess.
No, it's just burn. Like, you know when you like toast marshmallows? Oh, that smells so gross. That was my Easter peep.
Was.
Blow up.
More like... Oh.